Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is verbs. Let's see the definition of a verb. A verb is a word which shows action. Okay students, for example, I am teaching you. So what I am doing? I am teaching you. Teach. Teach is my action. So teach is a verb. And what are you doing now? You are listening my lecture and watching my video. So listen and watch is your action. So listen and watch is a verb. Let me show you some more examples. Okay students, look at this picture. This is a picture of a teacher and this is a picture of a student. So what a teacher does in class? A teacher teaches the students. So what is the action of a teacher? Teach. So a teacher teaches the students. So teach is the action of a teacher. Look at this picture carefully. This is a picture of a painter. So a painter or artist, what he is doing? Paints the house. So a painter paints the house. So what is the action of this boy, of this painter? Paints. You can see what is the action of this painter? Paints. So paint is his action. It is called verb. Move to the next picture. This is a picture of a chef. So what he is doing in this picture? You can see cooks food. A chef cooks food. So what is the action of a chef here? Cook. So cooks is an action that is called verb. Move to the next one. Move to the next picture. This picture is of a hairdresser. So what a hairdresser does? A hairdresser cuts the hair. So what he is doing here? So a hairdresser is cutting the hair. So cut is the action of a hairdresser. You can see what is the action? Cut. Move to the next picture. This is a picture of a plumber. So what is the action of a plumber? What he is doing here? Fits the pipe. A plumber fits the pipe. So fit is the action of a plumber. Plumber is a noun and his action is fit. So fit is an action. This is called verb. Move to the next example. This is the picture of a florist. Okay, what a florist does? Of course, a florist sells the flowers. This is a flower shop. So a florist sells the flowers. So what is the action of a florist? Sells. What is the action of a plumber? Fits. And what is the action of a hairdresser? Cuts. What is the action of a chef? Cooks. What is the action of a painter? Paints. And what is the action of a teacher? Teach. So students, I hope you understand what are verbs. They are actions. Okay, so as I told you in these examples, okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.